We're really excited to provide a new police military first responder bike that we have recently built, and we're going to go through the specs today and how this can help you and your troops on the ground. This is what we call the MAV3. What you're going to quickly notice is just the overall size of it. And we did this by design to make sure that it's stable tires for you and your officers or anyone that's riding this bike. The tires are 26 by 4.8 inch. Our standard bikes are 4 inch. This bike we built a little bit wider, again, for the ability to be able to go through different areas a little bit more easy, as well as just the overall stability. The other big difference that we've added for this bike is it's a dual battery bike. So it's two 15 amp hour batteries, which equates to a 30 total amp hour bike, which then allows you guys to go a little bit further. If you're a first responder, search and rescue team, being able to go up those fire line trails, whether you're a police officer downtown, of the bike patrol, or military as well. This is the biggest batteries on the market. It's going to allow you to go a little bit further. We do offer replacement batteries that your officers or whoever's riding these could purchase and mount to the back rack for even more distance. Starting with the components, just so you guys know the braking power that these have. It's quad piston, hydraulic disc brakes with a 203 millimeter rotor. As you can see too, with the air suspension front shocks, great travel on these front shocks. You can tighten that up, putting more air in it if you like a rougher ride, or you can soften them based on the rider and their weight. All of these bikes do come standard with the fenders, the back rack, as well as the lights. So if you're a police officer, if you need to use the lights, you can simply flip a switch and you can see the lights turn on in the front and the back. If you're not and you don't need lights, you can simply remove the switch, remove the lights if you so choose to. All of these bikes do come with a throttle. The way that works is power the bike on. You do have 5 levels of pedal assist, and within any of those levels you can use the throttle to engage at any time, whether you're starting to ride or not. The biggest value for this bike compared to any other e-bike on the market, whether you're using one now or you haven't even thought about it, is what's happening in the rear hub. That is our Rohloff hub. It's a 14 gear internal gearing system. So on a standard bike you have to pedal to shift. On this bike I can roll gears 1 through 14, and it's currently shifting those gears as I'm standing here, so that you can easily start in gear 1 and move it up to gear 14 or anywhere in between. That's super valuable because it's going to relieve tension and any issues of your chain. It also removes a derailleur. You don't even have a derailleur on this bike, which is fantastic. The next part that really sets this bike apart from any other e-bike is the mid-drive motor. Our mid-drive motors, it's the Bafang M620 motor, which has steel gearing. A lot of e-bikes on the market are nylon gearing, and so we wanted to have the best for our first responders. And so this is a steel gearing mid-drive motor coupled with that Rohloff hub with the biggest battery. It's going to perform to where you guys need it to perform. If you have any additional questions regarding the MAV3, we look forward to hearing from you. Please reach out to myself or our team, and we would be happy to answer any of these questions. We will have a more detailed product review video on our website and our YouTube channel to go through additional specs. Thank you for watching.